Welcome back, besties. Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. I just came back from getting my nails done, so y'all know I'm in a good mood because my nails were looking freaking raggedy. Do y'all see that? Y'all, this is so cute. Let me turn off the face tracker real quick just so it can focus in on the nails, y'all. She did that. I love this. It's like a pink color with leopard print. Hopefully that's focusing for y'all, but the color is called like Barbie pink or something like that, and I got this same pink on my toes, y'all. So today is a good day. But welcome back, besties. As y'all see, I'm in a good mood, good energy, good vibes, baby. It's a new week, so happy Monday, besties. It's the start to a new week, so let's go. It's June 23rd. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lane Lavette. Welcome. You are now officially a new bestie. And if you haven't subscribed and you've been watching me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But on this channel, we talk about the content creator life. We talk about digital marketing, digital products, how to make money straight from your phone, from anywhere in your sleep, and just how to do all the things that don't involve working for somebody else. So yeah, anyways, y'all, like I said, it's June 23rd. It's currently, what time is it, y'all? 4:39. Can y'all see that? Anyways, I just got done getting my nails done, y'all. I'm in love with my nails. I literally just finished. I'm still in the parking lot, but it's super cute. I've never done like the leopard theme on my nails, so yeah. I'm also super excited, y'all, because this week is braid week. I'm so happy to be getting my braids back, y'all. I mean, I enjoyed the hair ride while it lasted. I think I've had it for like over a month now, but baby, it's too hot in Texas for anything other than short hair or braids. One of the two. That's it. Or bald. Either you're gonna be bald, you're gonna wear a short bob and be Miss Barbiana, or you're gonna get some braids so you can pull them suckers up and your scalp can breathe. That's it. Anything other than that, sew-ins, wigs, all of that shit, baby, it's too hot. It is too hot. My car says 93, so it feels like it's probably 100. But yes, y'all, so I'm getting my hair done Wednesday. Today's Monday, so I still have another 2 days, but that's okay because we're gonna rock this hair for 2 more days. I had my friend come to my house early this morning and wash my natural hair for me and then dye it, y'all, because if you don't know, I have so much freaking gray hair in my head. Like, I started getting gray hair early though, in my 20s, and my grandma always said that it meant that I was wise. It was wisdom. It was a sign of wisdom. So I've always just said, look, baby, I'm wise. And one thing about my grandma, y'all, rest her soul, she was like my mom. She basically pretty much raised me, but she always told me that I was wise beyond my years when I was younger. So I love her for that because I feel like I am. But y'all, anyways, I had to get my friend to come down and wash my hair for me because baby, I can wash my own hair, but I'm lazy. I don't got time for washing, blow drying, detangling, straightening, all the things. And she also put a black dye on it for me. I usually do a rinse, but this time I just went ahead and dyed it since I'm gonna be in braids for like 2 months. So I dyed it like black, jet black, but it's just like a regular black color. And then she put it in like these 2 braids going straight back for me. And I had her cut it, y'all. I had her cut about that much of my hair because it was just dead ends and they just needed to be cut. And I'm braid day ready, y'all. I'm gonna wear this hair today, tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to take my mom to the doctor. Luckily, we're not going to League City, which is further. But I still got to do a lot of driving. We're not even finna get into that. But tomorrow she has a doctor's appointment, so I just have to do that. And then Wednesday, y'all, bright and early, I'm going to be up, ready to go to my appointment and get these braids back in my head. The only thing I hate about that is the process, y'all. It takes way too damn long to get braids. And if you like me, I don't like big braids. I like little squares. I like little bitty squares, little parts. So I got to suck it up. 'Cause if that's what I want, I got to suck it up. So I'm prepared to do that. I need to go get the hair. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm finna do right now before I go home. Go by the hair store to get the braiding hair. I'm trying to decide, do I want jet black? But I'm trying to decide, do I want jet black hair or just like black hair, or do I want to go with color, like my signature color that I get? So I haven't really made up my mind what kind of hair I'm going to get. So I need to do that, and I'm going to go ahead and get the hair because tomorrow is going to be a busy day. And that's it, y'all. That's all I've done today. Worked on a little content. I do need to record my podcast audio for my podcast upload on Wednesday. I'm going to upload a new podcast episode on Wednesday, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I don't know if y'all won't see this vlog by Wednesday, so when you do see this vlog, make sure you go check out the podcast. By the time y'all see this vlog, it'll probably be 3 episodes up, maybe 4, it just depends. But yeah, I'm super excited about my podcast. If you don't know, I just started it, y'all. It's audio only, and I'm loving it because I get to express myself, I get to talk about my journey, and I get to teach other women how they can make money and break free from the 9-to-5 struggle. But the name of my podcast is How to Heal and Get Paid with Content. So go check it out. It's always going to be linked in the bottom of my videos, but I am super, super proud to have started that, and I'm hoping to blow up, y'all. I'm on like 10 different platforms. iHeartRadio, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, a whole bunch of shit, y'all. Let's just say that. So, other than that, y'all, that's it. I'm fixing to go get this hair, and then I'm going home because it's almost 5 o'clock, and y'all, the traffic get crazy at 5 o'clock. People getting out for work, they crazy. They trying to get home. They trying to go eat. They just trying to get as far away from the freaking job as they can. And they drive like freaking maniacs out here. So I'm supposed to get my ass where I need to be and then back in the damn house. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I just got the braiding hair. So got that out of the way. I'm so glad I finally found 72-inch hair, y'all. Because usually I get 52-inch and she always got to like add to it, and it makes it take longer to do my hair. And the whole time they had 72-inch sitting right in front of my face. But y'all, I went with 1B. Black. One thing about it, 2 things for sure, you can't go wrong with black hair. Like, I debated on getting the color mix that I always get. I think it's 27, 6, 13, and 1B. And I had it in my hand and something said, no, let's just go black. So I went with black hair, y'all. And why is there always people next to me watching me, sitting in the car being weird? Like, don't y'all got something else to do? Like, why y'all gotta watch me talking to my camera? It got me looking like I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm talking to my virtual besties, and you sitting there looking at me like I'm freaking crazy. But yeah, secured the hair. Now I am headed home. It's 5:10. So by the time I get home, it'll be what, 5:20. So talk to y'all later. Good morning, besties. Y'all gotta excuse my angle right now. I am up. It's about 10:30. I woke up with a headache this morning, y'all. That's a long story, but another migraine. I don't even want to call it a migraine because it really didn't feel like a migraine. But let me get these clothes. I'm actually going to put on a load. So I'm actually putting in a load of laundry real quick before I leave the house. I'm supposed to take my mom to the doctor today. I almost canceled the appointment, but then I said no, because I canceled it 2-3 weeks ago, and I didn't want to cancel again because she really needs to go to this checkup. So I'm trying to push through. I took my migraine meds, and it's helping a little bit. I still feel the headache, but it helped enough to where I can at least get dressed and get down here to get her to the doctor. So I'm getting ready to walk out of the house. Y'all, my headache is usually right here on the right side, and today it's like all in the front. So I'm thinking it's not a migraine. It could be like allergies or like sinus, all the shit that's going on outside, the pollen. I don't know. All I know is I woke up in a lot of pain. I have a little bit of relief now, so I'm glad I didn't cancel. So I've been drinking water. I took my vitamins this morning. I plan on getting super hydrated today, drinking a lot of water because that may be a part of it too. Even though I have been drinking more water, I know I can drink more. So first, to get ready to make sure I got these clothes started correctly. Just put in a load of laundry before I go, so that way when I come back, all I have to do is dry and fold them. And I'm getting ready to head out, y'all. But anyways, happy Tuesday, y'all. I will talk to y'all in a little while. Hey, besties. It is currently 4:30, y'all. Today has been a long day. I'm sitting in my car outside HEB waiting on my mom to come out of the store. Made it back here to Bay City probably like 40 minutes ago, or maybe 30 minutes. No, it's been about 40 minutes. And I'm just sitting here waiting on her. She needed to stop at HEB, so hopefully she coming out soon so I can head back home. Luckily, my headache never came back. Still not 100%, but I'm probably at like 85%, so I'll take that. But I'm just sitting here waiting. I've been sitting in the car for a minute. So I was like, let me pick up the camera and check back in with y'all. because I didn't really record today, because like I said, it was just me taking her to the doctor and then a lot of driving, and that's pretty much it. So sitting here trying to work on some content, y'all, because I have not put out. Okay, why they got me looking like that? I guess that'll work. I have not put out any content today. I just did a video using my AI twin. I guess it's okay. I can't even complain. Look, my finger's not deformed and warped, so I can't complain. Yeah, so we can work with that. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to try to post a reel. The only thing I did today, I did have a YouTube vlog scheduled, so that went out today at like 1, I think. And then I also posted, that's it, y'all. That's all I did. That's all I posted today, because I've been busy. But I do plan on getting on YouTube live tonight, hopefully, because I haven't been live in like a few days. So hopefully I'm able to do that when I get home. Depending on what time I get home, we'll see. This lady is passing out flyers, and here she come. Baby, don't put that on my car. I don't want it. You know how people walk around and put it on your windshield wiper? I don't want it. But my mama better come her ass on, because I'm ready to go. Okay, y'all, I just made it to the house looking like a freaking rag doll. Y'all, it's braid day tomorrow, so y'all probably will not see me on the vlog much tomorrow because your girl got a hair appointment. So this is the last day y'all will see me with this hair. Even though as much as I like it, y'all, it's too hot. It's too freaking hot. So tomorrow my appointment is at 9:30. I know it's gonna take most of the day, so I'll probably talk to y'all like tomorrow morning, and then probably like right after I get my braids, and then I'll probably end this vlog. Yeah, but anyways, y'all, it is currently almost 6 o'clock. So why is my camera like that? Focus. But yes, it's almost 6 o'clock, and like I said, I just got home. I'm tired, and I just want to take a shower, y'all, and relax. I'm not going to sleep or anything like that, but y'all know how it is when you've been out all day driving. So I'm about to fill my cup up with water again, take me a nice, hot, relaxing shower, and I might hop on YouTube live a little later. I don't know. If I don't make it to live today, I'm gonna make it tomorrow night when I get done with my hair, because it's been too many days, y'all. I gotta get on live. But anyways, finna open up my mail. I picked up my mail from my P.O. box, so I'm about to open that up, and that's really it. That's all I got going on right now. So I will come back and talk to y'all once I get out of the shower. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm probably gonna leave my makeup on and just clean my face later. But I am finna at least take a shower so I can get comfortable, because I may be hopping on live, and I already have makeup on, so I might as well leave it on, right? So yeah, talk to y'all later, besties. Good morning, besties. Happy hump day. I am going to get my hair done, getting ready to walk out the door. I just want to come say good morning, because y'all probably won't hear from me until late this evening, y'all. My appointment is at 9:30. It's currently 7:30. I'm about to leave now so I can stop at Tropical Smoothie, grab me a smoothie, and then I have to stop by the courthouse once I get down there to my hometown to get my registration sticker for my car, and then I'm headed to my appointment. So the next time y'all see me, your girl will have her braids back. And can y'all guess what color I'm getting? But I will talk to y'all later. Hey, long lost besties, y'all. I got my hair done yesterday. It is the next day. It is Thursday. But yes, y'all, I did not come back to the camera because it took so freaking long. And by the time I got home, I was completely exhausted. But y'all, it is Thursday, late afternoon, and I just had to come show y'all my hair so I can close out this vlog and start a new one, y'all. I'm in love. I went with black because y'all remember I told y'all I didn't know if I wanted to do color or do black, so I decided to get black braids, and I always get them small. As y'all can see, my hair grows really, really fast, so if I get big squares, it's a waste of money. So I gotta get them small because I leave mine in for a while. And of course, I got the ends crinkled because I like the crinkled look at the ends. So yep, y'all, let me turn around and show y'all the back. So yes, these are the braids, y'all. So nice. Hopefully y'all can see. Hopefully the camera is doing them justice. But the length, I always get my length about the same. Right to my butt. Right to my butt. But I'm in love with them. Super, super lightweight. I am in love with them. They are super, super lightweight, even though you would think they weren't. And that's simply because my braids are not big, y'all. My braids are super skinny. So I love them. Very easy to handle, very easy to put up, and all of that. So anyways, besties, sorry about that delay. But I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. I have no idea what type of footage I have on this vlog. I have no idea what's going on in this vlog. I have no idea even when I started this vlog. So that is the reason why we're about to end this vlog, and we're about to get it together with some structure, okay? Oh yeah, y'all, and I didn't record, but I did get my lashes done today too. Yeah, I got them done. Look, this might as well be a maintenance vlog, right? Because didn't I get my nails done in this vlog, if I'm not mistaken? I got nails, I got hair, and I got lashes. And I had no intention on this being a maintenance vlog. But that may just be what it is. But yeah, so I got my lashes done. So we not looking like a plucked chicken no more. We back looking like that girl. But let me go ahead and end this vlog and quit rambling. But if you made it to the end, let me know what you enjoyed most about this vlog. And also, y'all, let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. What do y'all want to see from me in my vlogs? Because at this point, I'm feeling like it's repetitive, kind of. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me. But let me know what type of content y'all want to see. Do y'all want to see what y'all been seeing? Do y'all want me to add like more behind the scenes content? What is it that y'all want to see from me more in my lifestyle content creator vlogs? But thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for all y'all support. I love y'all, besties, and I will see y'all in the next video.